Factory 5 33 hot rod in the wild. I just came up here to the store and this pulled in. Thought I'd share it with you guys. It's pretty nice. It's one of those Factory 5 hot rod kits. Really nice. If you're into that kind of thing, I think it's cool looking. Very clean. Complete tube frame. I was talking to the gentleman who owns it. He's got a hard top that goes with it too. Pretty cool. 5-speed. Says this thing weighs around 2,200 pounds roughly. Forget what the horsepower is, he says. I think he said around 350 horsepower, something like that. So the power to weight ratio is really good.